Hey, what's up, my millionaire brothers? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special for wing holder because I told you in this video prediction of wing and also my share my opinion towards please hold, sell or buy. Okay, so everything in this video very important. But first of all, if you can see here this time the crypto market has very badly falls down. So please be focused on this time. You can see here the last 24 hours every coin is very badly falls down. But Dutch coin, if you can see here, the Dutch coin is one of the unique coin today going up in those time. You can see here they very fastly moving up 12.06%, and those days I guaranteed you, my friend. Please, if you are my old subscriber, then I advise you, I give you my all subscriber to please invest in this time in Dutch coin. This is not a financial video. Remember, if you want to invest in Dutch coin, absolutely use research personally, but I just advise you because in this time the market in the last in the first 3 days they gone very fastly up. So therefore I note the Dutch coin today going up, and I hope they can the target I search it on Twitter to the target as $1, and this is very high target for Dutch coin. I hope they can hit it, but if they go in this time, you can see here the chat occur 12.06%. This is very high chance. Okay, so let's come out to the wink, my friends. The wink is also very badly fails down in those days. So my friends, wink as one of the fastest cryptocurrency, but I can't believe it. How is it possible in the last 24 hours they very badly falls down. The rank in the crypto market as 99 number. You can see here this time the rank number. Let's get started the price prediction of wink holder by my friend. But first of all, I request you please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe. And keep touch with us. I guide you, my brother. I help you in every critical situation. I guide you, and if you follow every stick channel, then absolutely you are be safe from any loss. Okay, my friend. This time I gonna show you the last 24-hour chart. If you can see here, the price is $0.001 this time, and this time you can see here chain occur minus 12.18%. Bad falls, very bad falls, my friend. Okay, first of all, I tell you the prediction. I draw a A1 line, my friends. This is very important for a prediction of wing. This time I draw a second line. This is A2, my friends. A1 and A2. These both lines is very important for prediction, my friend. If you can see here, this is the highest. You can see here highest point. After this highest point, they take a very bad fall, my friend, and they come touch this point. They touch this line. They touch B point, a B line. You can see here, and after that falls they take again here this line, the first line. So this is the point today gone up. So but this jump is very low. You can see here this is the level of the highest jump, my friends. So if they take a highest jump, they cross it, this point absolutely very important, but they cannot touch the third line. You can see here this is the third line, so they cannot touch third line, my friend. After that jump they also take a very bad falls. They're going down, my friend. So if we check out this circulation, then exactly this circulation told us today going up in upcoming days. Yes, how is it possible, my friend? I told you every cryptocurrency. I have 3 year experience in crypto market. Absolutely, I'm a crypto master. This time I told you I am also I also told you to what's the formula, what's the trick. Okay, this time if you can see here, after a very high jump they also take a very bad fall. So this is exactly the point. You can see here this circulation. This point they take a very highest jump, and this point they take a very bad falls. But after that falls, you can see here they take again jump. Exactly, not high but take a jump. But after that jump they take a fall. You can see here they dump down. You can see here they again falls down. But I hope if this circulation continuously going up, this circulation told us today going up in upcoming days. Exactly, after this point they also going up. So my friend, I think they're going up in upcoming days. My prediction today going up. Please, if you want to invest and this time, exactly this is good time. Please sell it, buy it and hold it and wait for a good time. And my opinion is that today going up in upcoming days. Please hold it and wait just for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. So what's your opinion? Please share it in the comment box. Thanks for watching.